morning. How are you?
Good morning, sir. I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I'm also fine. Thanks for asking. Okay,
Yes,
let me quickly start. So, can you please tell me, can you please quickly introduce yourself, Shweta?
yes, sir. Sir, I am Shweta Paikhan, and I am working as a software tester in EDSO services, and I have a 3 years of experience.
Okay, great. So, what are the tools and technologies have you used for your, automation?
Sir, I use Java 11 version programming language and TestNG for write and config the test cases, and building tool as a Maven, and Postman for API, and Selenium WebDriver, and Jenkins for CI/CD.
Okay, fine. Okay. Can you please tell me, what are the roles and responsibilities do we have?
Roles and responsibilities.
Mhm.
Actually, we have to write test cases, and we have to write that test cases, and then test that test cases with the help of web Selenium WebDriver, and by using framework, and then we have, if there is any bug, then we have to release that bug to the developer, and uh, if he tests that he change or make any code changes in that test case, and he will assign you, then I have to retest that uh, software, and daily meetings I have to attend, and then sprint meeting. So that's it, sir.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay, fine. So can you please tell me, what are the OOPS concepts do we have in Java?
Yes, sir. Oops comes as a object-oriented programming concept, and it have four types, that is inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and data abstraction. In inheritance, one class acquire the properties from the other class, and there should be the is a relationship between child class and parent class, and there are five types of inheritance, that is a single level inheritance, multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance, hybrid inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance. And polymorphism means one object does different things, and there are two types of polymorphism, that is method overloading and method overriding. And in method overloading, the uh, method should have same name but with different parameters. And in method overriding, uh, the child class access its own implementation, which is provided by the parent class already. And in method overloading is access in same current class, and the method overriding uh, access in child and parent class in different classes. And uh, encapsulation means binding the data and the function in a single unit. And in encapsulation, we hide the data from one method to another method. And last one is data abstraction. In data abstraction, we show the important information only and hide the implementation.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, fine, okay. What is the difference between method overloading and method overriding?
Okay, method overloading happens in one class, in current class, and method overriding happens in two classes, that is child class and parent class. That in that both classes have a is relationship. It should have a is a relationship. And in method overloading, the methods have same name but with different parameters. And but in a method overriding, the child class have a same name as a method and same parameter, with as from the parent class. And in method overriding, we use override annotation. And um, that's it, sir.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay, fine. Okay. So, can you please tell me what is mean by the call by value and call by reference?
Sorry, in call by value, we pass the we copy the value into the method, and there is no any changes if we pass the different value. And in call by reference, we pass the we call the method, sorry, we call the method by passing the copy of the reference. And there is a changes if we change the value.
Mm-hmm. Okay, all right, fine. Can you please tell me what is mean by the upcasting and downcasting in Java?
Yes, sir. These are two types of casting. Casting means converting one data type to another data type. So in upcasting, we convert the smaller value into the larger variable type, and in downcasting, we convert the larger value into the smaller variable type.
Mm-hmm.
For example, in upcasting, we convert the we convert integer into the long. And in downcasting, we convert the long to the int, like that.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. Okay, all right. Okay, fine. Okay. So what is the difference between this keyword and super keyword in Java?
Yes, sir. This keyword is used in the same class to access the uh, method, or the method to access the method into that same class. And super keyword is used in the different classes. We access the method from the one class to another class with the super keyword. um,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and so that's it.
Okay. All right. Fine. Okay. So can you please tell me what is mean by the, uh, okay. What is the hierarchy of the exceptions classes?
Exception classes, hierarchy for exception classes. Okay. Uh, Throwable is extended by the exception, and exception is the extend by the other child exceptions, like null pointer exception, arithmetic exception, like that. Check exception and uncheck exception extends the exception class.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Fine. Okay. All right. So can you please tell me uh, what is mean by the constructor in Java?
Constructor have the same name as the class, and constructor are used to initialize the object.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Then only this is a constructor do we have?
um, Sir, I forget actually. I did, but I forget.
Okay, no problem. Okay. So can you please tell me what is in the wrapper classes do we have?
Wrapper classes wrapping the primitive data type and convert it into the object, and also vice versa, like object convert it into the primitive data type. So there are wrapper classes as an integer, boolean, character, string, sorry, uh, long, double, float.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And there are two types of wrapper classes, that is autoboxing and inboxing. In autoboxing, we convert the primitive into the object, and in unboxing, we convert the object into the primitive data type.
Okay. All right. So can you please tell me what are the collections classes are you aware of?
Yes, there are three collection classes, that is set interface, not classes, interfaces, set interface, map interface, and list interface.
Hold on, hold on. Why you haven't turned on your camera?
Sorry, sir. Yes, sir. Now,
No, yeah, go ahead. Huh, go ahead.
actually, there are interfaces like list, map, and set.
Okay, list, map, and set we have. Okay. So what is the difference between, the list and set?
List is in the order, and set is in list initialize in order, and set in not initialize in order. And we can have duplicate values in list, and in set we don't have any duplicate value. And in list we can store the multiple null values, and in set we can't store the multiple null values. And so list and set. Mm, yes, so let's see.
Okay. So what is the difference between link has set and has set?
Link has set and has set. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Link has set. Uh, both don't have order in initialization in order. Um, Link has set. Sorry, I forgot actually.
Okay, no worry. Okay, what is the difference between hash map and hash table?
Hash map and hash table. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Hash map. Wait, uh, Hash map and hash table.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. In hash map, there are unique key and value pair, and in hash table there is only a value, single value. And in hash map, we initialize in the order, and in hash table we don't have in order. Um, and if we use the multiple key in it not store the duplicate keys, and in hash map. So that's it.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. All right. So can you please tell me, what are the locators do we have in a Selenium WebDriver?
Yes, sir. We have 8 type of locators in Selenium. That is ID, name, class name, CSS selector, XPath, tag name, and link. Sorry, link text, partial link text.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Which one is most recommendable to use? Am I audible? Hello. Shweta, you are not audible to me. Shweta, we lost you. Am I audible, Shweta? Yeah, Shweta, go ahead.
Sorry, there was a power cut actually.
No
Yes, sir.
problem. No.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
What
can you please? What are the locators do we have?
Actually, there are eight type of locators that are ID, name, class name, CSS selector, X tag, link text, and partial link text.
Okay, okay. Which one is one of the most recommendable to use?
We use mostly ID and XPath.
Mm-hmm. Okay. We mostly use. Why we have to use ID and expert mostly?
Actually, ID is mostly available and it is easy to use to locate. And XPath, if we can't locate the element with the help of other normal locators, that time we use XPath.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. Then can you please tell me what are okay. Okay. So what is the how to handle the cookies in Selenium WebDriver?
With the help of cookies, we handle the cookies in the Selenium WebDriver, and there are types like add cookies uh, and get cookies by name, get all cookies, and delete all cookies. These methods are there.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Fine. Okay. Okay, this is the cookies do we have. Okay. So can you please tell me okay. So can you please tell me what is mean by the how to handle the iframe in Selenium WebDriver?
iframe is handled with the frames, and we use switch to method to handle the iframe, and there are two methods. Sorry, three methods to handle iframe with the help of by ID and name, with the help of web element, and with the help of index.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. 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 All right. So let me move ahead. Can you please tell me how we can automate the drop down in the Selenium WebDriver?
We automate the drop down with the help of select class, and there are three types of select class, that is select by visible text, select by value, and select by index.
Mm-hmm.
By that
Okay.
we find the
O- Okay. Fine. Okay. These are the things we have. Okay. Fine. Okay.
okay.
So can you please tell me what are the if you want to automate the bootstrap drop down, then what is an thing we have to do? How we have to automate the bootstrap drop down?
In bootstrap drop down, we normally use web element that is equals to driver find elements by locators, and then mostly we use XPath, and to fetch that list or text from the we use for loop, for each loop, sorry, and yes sir, that's it.
Okay. Fine. All right. So what is the hierarchy of the test ng annotations?
uh, Test ng annotations. Okay. Test suit before test. Sorry, before suit annotation. Before test annotation. Before class annotation. Then before method annotation, and test annotation. Then after method annotation, after class annotation, after test annotation, and after suit annotation. This is the hierarchy.
Okay. Great. Fine. All right. So what is the okay? If you want to run the single test case multiple time, how we have to run in a test engine?
So we use invocation count attribute to
Mm-hmm.
run a single test case in multiple times.
Okay. And then how we have to run the test case parallelly?
With help of parallel is equal to true, we use in the suit tag in test.ng XML file.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. Fine. Okay. All right. So let me move ahead. What is the difference between put and post method?
Okay. Put is used to create the resource on the server, and put is used to update that resource on the server. If there is no any resource on the server, that time put creates the resource on the server.
Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. Okay, okay, fine. All right. Okay, what is meant by the 403 status code?
403 is used to use as the bad gateway.
Mm-hmm. Are you sure about this?
It's 400 is problem.
No
Mm,
problem. Can you please
yes.
tell me what is meant by the 204 status code?
204 is for no content.
No content. Okay. What is meant by the 429 status code?
Which one, sir? 4?
429 status code.
No, sir. I don't know.
You don't remember? Okay. All right. Fine. What is the difference between query parameter and path parameter?
Sir, query parameter is used to find the resource on the web page, and path parameter is to sort and filter that content or resource on the web page. And query parameter is before to from before to the question mark, and path parameter is after the question mark, and query parameter is located in the um, curly bracket.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Fine. Okay. Can you please tell me if you want to, create a new branch from a main branch, how we have to create?
Okay, we use the git checkout -v branch name, that command.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. If you want to initialize the empty repository into the Git repository, then empty
Then we
directory into the Git repository. Uh-huh.
use git init command.
Git init command. Okay. So suppose if you want to, merge my code into the, main branch, what is the actionable items we have? What is the steps we have to follow?
Sir, I forget it.
Okay, no problem. Okay. So what is meant by the cron expression in Jenkins?
Okay, expression is a string which have 5 to 6 fields, which are separated by the white spaces. That is a set of time, and it is as a schedule to for the execution of the test.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Mm.
All right. So this is the cron expressions we have. Okay. All right. Okay, Shweta, I'm pretty much done from my side.